So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can swap coins in your Trust wallet. So guys, in order to swap coins, all you need to do is just look at these 4 options right here that say send, receive, swap, and buy and sell. Since we're trying to swap the coins, just go ahead and tap on swap, and once you're there, select the token that you want to pay with. You can search any cryptos. You should search Bitcoin. You'll also find Bitcoin anonymous. It says it is a part of BNB Smart Chain, so you can choose whatever that you want. I'm just leaving it as it is. And now just go ahead and select token. So what do you want to swap with? So let's say you want this. Just write the amount. Make sure the amount doesn't exceed. And guys, once you have successfully written down the coins, all you need to do is if you have sufficient balances, you would see the option to swap. As you can see, I don't have sufficient balance, so I cannot send it or swap. But if you have it, then just go ahead and tap on swap, and you'll successfully be able to swap your coins. So guys, that's how you swap coins in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.